Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club, a big business forum for the business community to have alliances, to have partnerships across the globe. We are here at Lahore Expo Center. Mera Brand Pakistan is the organizer of this expo. One of the big entrepreneur from Aghosh is with us. Please share your brand, your about Aghosh and Al Khidmat Foundation, please.
Assalamu alaikum. Basically, we are here this is Al Khidmat Foundation project Bano Kabul, right? This is basically the second initiative, just like Aghosh. In this initiative, we basically provide the students the opportunity to learn free education about IT courses and use these courses to develop their career, their entrepreneurship. They are selling their goods, they are doing digital marketing, e-commerce, and even the web page development free of cost. And the basically what we want, we give our youth the opportunity to learn and then earn with their initiative, with their passion. And with this opportunity, you can see many of our graduates have their stalls here. They are selling their goods. They have their own brands. The students, they have nothing. When they come to us, now they have their business. And this is basically the great vision of Pakistan. Like our females and males both doing their business. They're very small business, but the businessmen always business start from the very low level. And now once they get the time, it become a big business for, you can see in the China, their small industry is the bigger than their large industry. So this is a vision about basically in the mind of Hafiz Nemo Rahman, who is basically the main owner of this Bano Kabul program, and he is the Amir of Jamaat Islami. And you can see all these things here. Our students are there, and this is basically what we want. We get very pleasure to see that all these students have their knowledge on their own brands now.
Yes, very grateful to you, and I would like to invite you people, join hands with Global CEO Club. As you people are doing an appreciable job, keep it up, grow everywhere. Global CEO Club is providing different types of opportunities through its multiple business segments. Global CEO Club is available in every country of the world. I invite you to join hands with Global CEO Club. From time to time, Global CEO Club is organizing different types of expos worldwide. Like our next expo is going to be organized in France, then in Poland, then in Belarus. Then we are going to organize a mega business summit, just like World Economic Forum in Bulgaria. We are going to organize a big business summit in Flaties Hotel Lahore on 26th of August. So be part of Global CEO Club so that international and national growth can be sought easily. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful time.
Thank you.
Thank you.